हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू न्यूरल लॉगबुक। इन दिस जर्नी हम लोगों ने एक रोड मैप प्रिपेयर किया था जो कि मेरे गिटहब के प्रोफाइल पे है। सो आई विल बी एडिंग दिस लिंक टू डाउनलोड इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. You can go ahead and download that one for your reference. So I'm having that downloaded, so I'm just opening and let me zoom here to see what we have covered. So inside Python setup and basics, we have covered installation of Python versions, running scripts, REPL and VS Code setup as well. So next हमारा है comments. So what is comments in Python? Basically comments are the lines which will be ignored by the Python interceptor while executing our code. So let's see what comments in detail. So in Python we have majorly three types of comments. So one is like single line comment, another is multi-line comment, and next one is the inline comment. So what is single line comment? So let's go to the VS Code and see. Suppose you have something called print hello. Okay, so what this line is doing, this is printing hello. So we know because it's a single line, but suppose हमारे पास एक फंक्शन है जिसको 2 or 3 or more आर्गूमेंट्स आ रहे एंड वी आर परफॉर्मिंग एडिशन ऑफ दोज आर्गूमेंट्स. तो इस केस में अगर मुझे वो कोड समझना है तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, वो कोड पूरा रीड करना पड़ेगा एंड देन मुझे उसका बिजनेस लॉजिक समझ में आएगा. तो इस केस में वी कैन सिंपली मेक अ कमेंट बाय पुटिंग हैश हियर एंड सी like let's say this line prints hello, और लाइक फंक्शन के ऊपर लिख सकते हैं कि दिस फंक्शन परफॉर्म्स द एडिशन ऑफ आर्गूमेंट्स. ओके, सो दिस इज योर सिंगल लाइन कमेंट. तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे हैश तो लगा दिया लाइन के ऊपर. सो लेट्स सी इफ पाइथन डिटेक्ट्स दिस लाइन वाइल एग्जीक्यूटिंग द प्रोग्राम और इग्नोर्स इट. सो आई एम जस्ट executing this printed the hello. So that means this particular line is getting ignored. Suppose I have removed this one, that means Python is considering or Python interceptor is considering this line. That's why I am getting the compilation error. तो यहाँ पे कमेंट्स को डालने के लिए एक शॉर्टकट भी है विच इज़ लाइक कमांड स्लैश इन मैकबुक और इन विंडोज यू कैन पुट कंट्रोल स्लैश. So next one is multi-line comment. So what is multi-line comment? That means you can mention multiple lines as a comment. So in Java, what we do usually, we'll add something slash hash and next one like your comments hello from like this, right? Neural logbook, and we'll close that line here. That means Java will execute this as multi-line comments. But in Python we do not have Python doesn't support the native syntaxes out of it. So for multi-line comments you just need to mention something like a multiple hash, like you can insert command slash. That means you have to mention hash to each and every line in the multi-line comments. So let me print something here, print hello. So if you see, it just printed the hello and all three lines are getting ignored by the Python interceptor. So this is your multi-line comment. So what is inline comment? So next one is inline comment. So inline comment means suppose if you have a variable called x where we are assigning a value 5 and we are printing something वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. तो यहाँ पे तो हम लोगों को देख के पता चल रहा है कि एक्स को 5 वैल्यू है. सपोज हम लोग एक फंक्शन कॉल कर रहे हैं एंड वो फंक्शन का रिटर्न वैल्यू वी आर स्टोरिंग इनसाइड द एक्स. सो इन दैट केस हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐसे इनलाइन कमेंट्स भी लिख सकते हैं. सो जस्ट पुट हैश हियर एंड से इनिशियलाइजिंग वेरिएबल. दैट मीन्स in the same line this particular portion will be executed and after hash everything at till the end of line will be ignored by the Python. So let's print this. Yes, so 5 is getting printed. So this is your inline comments. After all these comments we have docstring as well in Python. So docstring is used to document your code. That means suppose if you have a function and that is doing a particular business logic like addition of function or giving the personalized greeting messages. So in that case you can just document it out in your simple words. So in my case, I'm having a greet function defined which takes name as argument and prints a customized hello message based upon my name. Suppose if I'm calling this function like this, greet, and giving my name here, so it will execute hello and name, but it is not executing this particular lines. Docstring will be ignored while execution, but you can access the docstring by putting some variable. So let's we'll see how we can access the doc. For now, let's execute this one. So what it is doing, it is printing the hello and my name, which I am passing as an argument here. To see the docstring in Python, we have two ways. First one is like printing the docstring, and second one is getting help. So help me in the first option, you just need to print that and give the variable name and the underscore doc, so that the documentation of this will be printed. And second option, you have the help, so just mention help and your function name. So let me run this one and see what we are getting. What greet is doing, accepting a name and all this. So all these are the docstring of the greet function. So those are getting printed. So we have just covered the comments and docstring inside this. So next topics are like indentation and keywords. So let's continue that in the next videos.